Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds.
Start. If the central government is of opinion that having regard to the circumstances prevailing in any area, it is necessary or expedient in the public interest that the acquisition, possession or carrying of arms other than firearms should also be regulated, full stop. It may, by notification in the official gazette, direct that this section shall apply to the area specified in the notification, and thereupon no person shall acquire or carry the area arms of such class or description as may be specified in that notification unless he holds in this behalf a license issued in accordance with the provisions of this act and the rules made thereunder, full stop. Any firearm or any other arms of such class or description as may be prescribed or any ammunition, unless he holds in this behalf a license issued in accordance with the provisions of this behalf, a license issued in accordance with the provisions of this act and the rules made thereunder, provided that a person may, without holding a license in this behalf, sell or transfer any arms or ammunition which he lawfully possesses for his own private use to another person who is entitled by virtue of this act or any other law for the time being in force to have or is not prohibited by this act or such other law from having, in his possession such arms or ammunition, but the person who has sold or transferred any firearm or ammunition in respect of which a license is required thereunder. Section 3, or any arms in respect of which a license is required under section 4, shall, immediately after the sale or transfer, inform in writing the district magistrate having jurisdiction or the officer in charge of the nearest police station, of such sale or transfer, and the name and address of the other provision to whom the firearm, ammunition or other arms has or have been sold or transferred, full stop. Where any person is found carrying or conveying any arms or ammunition, whether covered by a license or not, in such manner or under such circumstances as to afford just grounds of suspicion that the same are or is being carried by him with intent to use them, or that the same day be used, for any unlawful purpose, comma, any magistrate, comma, any police officer or any other public servant or any person employed or working upon a railway, comma, aircraft, comma, vessel, comma, vehicle or any other means of conveyance, comma, may arrest him without warrant and seize from him such arms or ammunition, full stop. Any person having in his possession any terms or ammunition, the possession thereof has, comma, in consequence of the expiration of the duration of a license or of the suspension or revocation of a license or by the issue of a notification under section 4 or by any reason whatever, comma, ceased to be lawful, comma, shall without unnecessary delay deposit the same either with the officer in charge of the nearest police station or subject to such conditions as may be prescribed, full stop, over.